Today, we're diving into Veo 3, an AI video generator that promises to make video creation a breeze. But is it really as easy as it sounds? Let's break down what you can expect from this platform. Veo 3 is designed to simplify video creation by harnessing the power of AI. It allows users to generate videos from text prompts, making it accessible for those who might not have video editing skills. The user interface is quite intuitive. You can quickly input your script, choose visuals, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. One immediate standout is the variety of templates available, catering to different styles and purposes, from social media posts to educational content. However, while the core functionality seems solid, there are areas that feel a bit unclear. For instance, the extent of customization options isn't fully transparent. Are you locked into certain styles, or can you tweak the visuals to fit your brand? Also, I noticed there isn't much detailed information on the types of media assets you can use, which might leave some users wanting more clarity. Let's talk about the pros and cons of Veo 3. On the positive side, the AI does a decent job of generating coherent videos quickly, which is great for users on a tight schedule. Its user-friendly interface is also a big plus for beginners who want to dip their toes into video creation without feeling overwhelmed. However, there are some frustrations. The customization options feel somewhat limited for more advanced users, which might make it less appealing for those looking for deeper creative control. Pricing is another area to consider. While it's competitive, it's not clear what the long-term costs look like. Plus, the lack of transparency regarding the types of media assets you can incorporate raises some trust concerns. So, who should consider Veo 3? If you're a beginner or someone needing quick video solutions, it might be worth a try. But for seasoned content creators looking for advanced features and customization, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it feels promising, but I'd recommend keeping an eye on how it evolves.